Hello, and welcome to the walkthrough of the Notion Ultimate Brain, your all-in-one system for managing your projects and areas of life efficiently. In this video, I'll guide you through all the key features of this template and show you how to get the most out of it. So, let's dive straight in. On the left side of the template, you'll find the quick capture buttons, perfect for instantly adding tasks, projects, notes, or goals. Just below that is the navigation tab, giving you access to every page and view inside the template, organized into 4 main sections: personal, knowledge, productivity, and backend. Then to the right, you start off with the inbox. Here you'll see unprocessed tasks, projects, notes, resources, and goals that still need review or triage. Right below, you'll find a quick overview of your tasks for today, this week, and this month. Next, you'll see all your active projects, grouped by status, so you know what's moving and what's paused. Below that is a gallery of your major life areas, giving you a visual structure of where your energy is focused. Then come your resources, sorted by what needs review and what you've recently looked at. You'll also see your notes, split into drafts and final versions. And at the very bottom, there's a compact calendar view showing your recent journal entries. Finally, if we shift our focus to the left again, you'll see the books you're currently reading, the goals you're actively working on, and your daily habits that are due today. The first page of the template is your inbox. It works just like the main dashboard view, but here everything is split into separate sections, so it's easier to see what needs your attention and take action quickly. Next up is the tasks page. It's similar to the main view, but here you also get an all open section that shows every active task, grouped by status. Inside each task, you can add a due date, mark it complete, and link it to notes, resources, projects, or goals. You can also assign a status to quickly see where each task stands. Further down, you'll find a calendar view and a board view, so you can manage your tasks in the way that works best for you. Next is the projects page. At the top, you'll see all your currently active projects. Below that, projects are grouped by status, so you always know what's in progress, on hold, or completed. At the bottom, there's a timeline view to visualize your project history and ongoing work. Inside a project, you can add start and end dates, link goals, notes, or resources, and see all related tasks in one place, along with a calendar showing their due dates. Now let's check out the Areas page, one of the core parts of this template. It acts as a central hub where you can group everything: tasks, projects, goals, notes, and resources by specific areas of your life. You can link anything to an area, and it will automatically show up inside that area's dashboard. This helps you stay focused and gives you full control over each part of your life. The Goals page helps you stay on track by showing all your goals, grouped by status at the top of the page and area at the bottom. Between, you'll see a timeline of when you started your goals and how far along you are with them. Inside each goal, you can set a start, due, and achievement date. Plus, get an automatic countdown of how many days are left. You can link tasks, projects, notes, and more to each goal, and view all linked tasks in both a table and calendar format. Next is the P.A.R.A dashboard, inspired by Tiago Forte's method. It gives you a quick overview of all your projects, areas, resources, and archives, all in one place. Then we have the Resources page, a place to save and organize useful content like videos, articles, and blog posts. Everything can be easily connected within the system and reviewed when needed. Next is the Notes page, your space for writing down thoughts, ideas, or meeting notes. Everything stays organized by letting you connect these notes to the rest of your system. You also have a section that lets you store and group your notes into notebooks, making organization effortless. The Notebooks page lets you organize your notes into specific categories. At the top, you'll see all notebooks that still contain active notes. Once all notes inside a notebook are marked as final, it automatically disappears from that section. Below that, there's a complete list of all your notebooks, whether their notes are still active or not. It's the perfect place to group notes around a topic or ongoing theme. The journal page is where you can capture personal reflections. You can create entries in either a list view or a calendar view. Each entry can be tagged with a specific area of life, and you can choose from a variety of moods to track how you're feeling. Inside every journal entry, there's plenty of space to write down thoughts, ideas, or anything on your mind. The books page gives you a gallery view of everything you're currently reading, along with a full list of all the books in your collection. Inside each book entry, you can store useful information like the title, author, category, language, current page count, and more. You can also link books to resources or notes to keep everything connected and easy to reference later. The habit page helps you build and track your routines. You can create habits you want to stick to and mark them as complete each day in a fun and simple way. There are buttons on the left to speed up your tracking, so you can focus more on doing and less on logging. It's a quick and motivating way to keep your habits visible and consistent. The time block calendar is split into two sections. On the left is your actual calendar, where you can drag and drop categories into specific time slots. On the right, you'll see each category and the total time scheduled for that week. When you press the Reset Calendar button, the entire schedule clears. And since nothing is planned, all categories temporarily disappear from the right side. There's also a section to view every category you've created, whether it's in use or not. The archive page stores everything you've marked as complete across the entire template. Inside each feature, whether it's a task, note, project, or goal, there's an archive checkbox. Once checked, the item disappears from your active system and is moved here. This keeps your setup clean while still giving you the ability to revisit or unarchive anything at any time. It's designed to work seamlessly with the P.A.R.A method by Tiago Forte. And that's a wrap on the full walkthrough of the Notion Ultimate Brain. If you want to start using this template yourself, you'll find the link down in the description. Make sure to hit subscribe for more Notion setups, productivity hacks, and deep dives like this one. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next video.